Hello all, in this video I'm going to solve question number 24 from CBSE class 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/3/2. Question number 24a says, in an AP, the first term is 32 and the last term is minus 10. If the common difference is minus 2, then find the number of terms and their sum. The first term is 32, that is A is 32. The last term, that is an, is equal to minus 10 and the common difference d is equal to minus 2. From this an, we can get n. An is given by a plus n minus 1 times d, which is equal to minus 10, and substituting the values of a and d, we get n minus 1 times minus 2 is equal to minus 42, n minus 1 is 21, n is equal to 22. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. S22 is equal to 22 upon 2 times 32 plus minus 10, which is 11 times 22, that is 242. The B part says, find the sum of first 28 terms of an AP whose nth term is given by an is equal to 3n minus 2. From the definition of an, we can get a1 by substituting 1 for n and a2 by substituting 2 for n. So d will be a2 minus a1, which is 4 minus 1, that is 3. To get the sum, we can use the formula n upon 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d. S28 is equal to 28 upon 2 into 2 times 1 plus 28 minus 1 times 3, which is 1162. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.